So I don't know why I be posting on my clothing brand page and then I will leave this page and abandon it. So I'm trying to get consistent with posting on both pages. So reason I said that was I posted my store's progress on my brand page. So I need y'all to run over there right now. Go. Run over there right now to Preview Collection. Matter of fact, I'm going to link it in the description. Go over there, follow that brand page, my clothing brand, and come back over here, watch this video so you can see some progress of my store. So come right back now. Behind me, you know what? Let me get up right now. Let me get up. I have a wall, grass wall. I was going to do the whole wall, but I think I'm not going to do the whole wall because I want some art on that side. I got to get a painting. My cousin gonna come here and do a painting for me, and I think it's gonna be a pretty big size. So either I'm gonna do the grass here and then leave it blank here and then grass there and put the painting in the middle, or I'm just gonna do like just do this and then put the painting over there. But I don't know yet. I'm gonna feel that, so don't worry about that gray showing. Yeah, but when I get the painting done, I'll see where I'm gonna put it at. But I know it's gonna go somewhere on this wall. I may just not do the whole wall with grass, but we'll see. But right here, it's a futon. I think I got it off of, I think it was Wayfair. I think I got this off of Wayfair. So right here we have a LED mirror, and I got that off of Wayfair. Let me see which way I want to take y'all. So we're gonna come over here. Got a clothing rack. I gotta get these sticker things off of here. But clothing rack, some of the shirts, some of the inventory. Got to do the rest of those. What else I was about to say? Oh, never mind that window. I got some paper I put up for privacy until I get ready to open the store. But these hangers, I think I'm going wood hangers. My sister bought them hangers right there, but I think I'm going wood hangers to give it another look in here. But that's just one model. There's another one. I sound like DJ Khaled. Another one. So I got that one right there. That's another model. Shout out to my nephew for giving me those. That's just more grass. Some more inventory I got to get done. Few shirts right there. This ladder, my daddy. And y'all, I want y'all to see this. I told him I needed a ladder. Look what he brought. And I was up on that thing to the ceiling, taped up and all. But God is good. But right here I got some more inventory. I don't even know if I'm supposed to be showing y'all this, but hey, if you subscribe to the YouTube channel, you get some sneak peek exclusive content. So yeah, those are models. And right here, it's my little beanie corner. I have my beanies right here. The beanies are hard. Y'all, I actually been selling these things. I didn't supposed to sell them until the store actually opened up. But I messed around and posted them on, what it was, Instagram, Facebook. I think both of them. And I sold some of these. I've been selling these, so but if I sell out before the store opens, you know, I'm gonna just get some more of them in here, and you know, just keep flipping the inventory. But right here, some orders I gotta get sent out, and get them packaged up. A little plant. I call myself bald. So let me give you a little full look of what's in here right now. Before I get some more stuff in here, I'm debating what else need to go in here because it's kind of tight. It's not as big as it look on camera, but I have to get a rug out. I had a rug made, a Preview rug made from China. I got to get that out. I wanted like a display to go here. You know, like in the stores, you have shirt displays so I can put my joggers and stuff somewhere. But I didn't want people to come in through the door and then that be the first thing in the middle of the floor. But they may have to come in, then just go around it or whatever. So I also think I'm gonna put like a stand right here so I can have like pants and stuff on it, folded up on it. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the front area. But I do have a back area where I do my shipping because I still have my online store. So I do my shipping from in here. Let me go show y'all. So you know you got to subscribe to the channel before you can come back here, right? So go ahead, like this video, comment on this video, do all that good stuff, subscribe to my channel, then you can come back here. Go do that, then come back. So coming in the corner, I got some of my nephew's shirts that I got to put up. He's gonna be having some of his stuff in here too. So here's my workstation. You can definitely tell I'll be doing some work up here. You have to brand yourself. So if you're trying to start a brand, you gotta stand out. You gotta make sure you stamp your logo, your brand on everything. These are tags. You can tag anything. You can put them on beanies. You can put them on shirts. You can put them on joggers. You can put them on anything. Just make sure that you stand out. So right now I go the long way because I call myself be saving money, and I do it myself. But I actually don't be saving money because I be giving too much time to it. And if you spend too much time on it, then you kind of losing money because you can be doing something else with that time. So I take this tag and I put it on whatever I want to put it on. Beanies, joggers, shirts, whatever it is you want to put on, you can put on it. So make sure you just brand yourself to stand out. Fold it, then fold it again at those ends and stitch it on. And if you know how to sew, actually I didn't know how to sew that good, but guess what? YouTube University, and I got me a sewing machine. T-shirts when I don't want to go to the screen print company. I want to hit something real fast. I got a t-shirt machine, heat press machine. I got a Cricut, and you know, you can get on YouTube, find out how to work it. That's just what I did. Got some Smell Good candles. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. If you're trying to take your mindset to the next level, you got to read that book. I read that book probably like 3-4 times already. It's just some junk in there. My little board, I usually write my goals down on this board, or some quotes that I need in my mindset while I'm up here working, but today's empty. Haven't really done anything like that today. I bought this microwave from the lady next door, and I haven't gotten I haven't gotten a table or anything for it to go on yet, but I just bought that like a few days ago. Up here right now, it's pretty empty. It's pretty empty right now. I have some joggers and stuff coming in. I'm not even sure if they're gonna last, so most of the time this thing be empty because by the time I get some inventory in here, I gotta like ship it right out. But that's something I gotta work on, knowing how much inventory to keep. I don't want to keep too much because I want to sell it like time to come in here, but at the same time I do need to keep some inventory in here. But yep, this is pretty much it. Let me know if you like this video. So if you like this video, I'll do more of these. Just leave it in the comment what you want to see. Make sure you like it, comment, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you in the next one.